Hello my dear medicos, today we are going to learn another most important topic called hiccups. It is due to hiccup reflex, which is a type of reflex arch in which it resulting due to neurological involuntary response of the body, which is an immediate action due to certain type of stimuluses. And in this majorly phrenic nerve, vagal and sympathetic nerves are involved, and mainly drugs that are used for stopping hiccups are baclofen and chlorpromazine are used in our daily life. Do subscribe.